What's up, y'all? It's me, Mike Dude, at the Whacking Shack. And today, the unboxing. I told you guys about the huge Black Friday sale with Brad from Gotwood. My box came in today. I did already crack in it to make sure there wasn't like a human head floating around in here.
Oh, what's in the box?
Because you never know anymore. But this badass hat came with it. Yeah, so real good. Fits my big ass tater. So we're gonna dive in here. That way I can show you guys the right out of the box quality of Brad's wood. Alright, right off the rip, we've got a ruler, which is super handy if you measure stuff or do wood turning for that matter. Brad hooked us up with some more of his stickers and a I've got a house gimp, so I guess we're gonna get to the good stuff now. She's higher than a giraffe's ass from shoulder surgery. Go away, cripple. Alright, let's get into the good stuff.
Alright.
Okay, right off the top, we've got some kiln-dried curacao. Love turning this stuff. Never gonna try this stuff yet. This is the kiln-dried sassafras. Got this fat boy. It's some European beech. I haven't turned this yet either. This is the red grandis. It looks like it's really dense, but it's actually a very light wood. Probably make some cool jars and stuff out of that. Another new one that I haven't got to turn yet is this white limba. I'm a big fan of the black limba, which I've got in here as well. We'll set the black limba beside the white limba so you can see the differences in what you got going there. Got me some Paduke, because you can't have a wood shop where you turn without some Paduke. Another staple for any turner shop. Got some hard maple blanks. Every time I get a shipment from Brad, he throws some of this in there. This is some of his figured walnut. I've got 3 or 4 of these now. I'm saving these for when I make my checkerboard. I want to use these for the darker pieces on the board. Stick around for that video. I turned a piece of this before and I really liked it. This is the red elm. It's a good turn. It turns like butter. I highly overlooked wood, but it's really good quality. One of my personal favorites, some bloodwood. Great for making some segmented stuff. Some more Paduke in the spindle form. More Paduke. These I have been hounding Brad for since the moment I found out he got them. These are not on the floor, by God. Purple Heart spindles. And the creme de la creme. This is the Massacre Ebony. This stuff turns phenomenally. Alright, so like I told every one of y'all, Brad's wood's high quality. This is a testament to it. Everything you get comes wax covered on the end grains. It's all labeled. You got a manifest for everything. And this is the first time it's came with the prices on it, which kind of helps me out and keeps everybody transparent on exactly what you've got in the wood. I look forward to building a lot of cool stuff with this. Check me out on the lives on Sunday, Monday, and throughout the week. And I want to do a few build videos coming up. So until then, peace. Love y'all. I'm out.